performing arts and sports. Welcome to the Rocket Report. Welcome to the Rocket Report.
A few weeks ago, the girls competed in their first comp of the season in the Spartan Showdown at Springfield High School on Saturday, November 8th. Just 2 days before the competition, the team faced an unexpected setback. One of our flyers fell, resulting in a sprained foot, leaving the team questionable about the performance they were going to have. But instead of giving up, we came together for an emergency 9:30 a.m. practice on competition morning, determined to perform our best. Through teamwork, courage, and trust, we hit the mat stronger than ever. The team pulled together and gave it their all on the mat. In the end, all of our hard work paid off. We took first place in game day building and even earned the Best Sportsmanship Award. In their second competition, the girls competed at St. Vincent Mary on November 23rd, earning second place in game day building. And their most recent competition was the Blizzard Battle at Jackson High School on December 7th, where they placed 4th overall by less than a point. The girls will then compete in the Bulldog Rumble on January 4th at Green High School, and we'd love it if you came and supported.